Hi, welcome to Freedom Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you a features available in Mazda CX-3 called Auto Hold. The Auto Hold features allow the driver to relax his leg away from the brake pedal when there is a traffic jam. So when he need to move off, he press on the accelerator. When he need to stop, he just need to tap on the brake pedal one time and the Auto Hold features will kick in. Okay, without further ado, let me give you a demonstration to show you how it works. Okay, currently my car is in D position. You can see that the D light is already been lit up in the gearbox, and you can see that the electric park LED is actually been turned off, and the Auto Hold LED also been turned off. Let me turn it on right now by pressing this button. Okay, I'm still pressing on my brake pedal. Okay, you can see that the car actually in stationary mode. And when I release my brake pedal, actually the car isn't moving. And you can see over here the indicator hold is actually lit up. Means that the Auto Hold features has already been kicked in and the car is not moving. Okay, so let me tap on the accelerator to move the car. Okay, you can see the car is moving and the whole indicator is off. And once I press on the brake pedal one time, the car stopped and the whole indicator is been turned on. Means that it has been activated. I want to move off, I apply accelerator, stop, I press on the brake pedal one time, whole LED been turned on, means that Auto Hold it has been kicked in, car stop, move off, press on the accelerator one time, tap on the brake pedal to stop, and whole indicator been turned on. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.